Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing these lovely goddess locks on my client. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, so of course we starting out with some healthy hair, you guys. Make sure you guys moisturize your client's hair and just seal in that moisture with everything you got. I'm going to take these braids section by section. I am just going to braid her natural hair down before I install these locks. And I will do her entire head, medium size braids all the way down to the end, and then I can start crocheting the locks in. Okay, so I have completed braiding her whole entire head, and now I am going to crochet each lock into each braid, unravel the lock, and wrap it around the braid to seal the braid inside. So crochet it in, pull the lock through, pull the end of the lock through the loop, tighten it up, and wrap it around. And I'm gonna do this to her entire head and add the hair on the ends as well to give it that goddess lock look. Okay, so now I am grabbing a lock, splitting it in half at the bottom, and then I am adding some raw Indian hair to that half of the bottom piece, braiding it down. And you can either glue the ends or you can tie it in several knots. I tied it in like 8 to 9 knots, and then I take the other loose lock piece and wrap it around the braid so the braid is concealed inside of the lock as well. So I will continue to do this to all of her locks. I sell these on my website as well, pre-made. That way you guys don't have to worry about adding the Indian hair on the bottom. So if you want these locks pre-made, already with the Indian hair on it, you can go to my website at qbwigcollections.com. The link is in the description below as well. And I have all the locks on there sold separately and with the Indian hair added as well. So I'm just going to continue doing this all over her head. And she is completely done. Medium size crochet individual locks. You can definitely do the cornrow method with these crochet locks as well, but we decided to go ahead and do them individually all over. And I go ahead in with some oil just to moisturize her scalp a little bit more. And this is the final look, you guys. We're just gonna set these locks in place. I'm gonna go ahead and do her edges a little bit. And that is pretty much it. She is set and ready to go. This look only takes about a few hours to do, especially if, you know, You don't take breaks. I don't take breaks. I feel like, you know, my clients like to get in and they like to get out as quick as possible, but I just braided her hair down completely, crocheted the locks in. It's way easier if you have the locks, the Indian hair pre-installed on the hair before you crochet it in. It makes it so much easier. So I'm gonna put some foam wrap on here, give it a tame it down a little, give it a little shine. Throw some of that on the ends, wrap her edges down. All right, you guys, so this is the final look of these crochet goddess locks, and they are beautiful. She loved them so much. I am so excited. I love locks so much, especially in the summertime. It gives you just a natural look. So if you guys want to purchase these locks, you can get them off my website with or without the Indian hair added on in 24 and 36 inches. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.